It's another Dollar Tree train and Miss Jackie's puppies. I'm so excited. So it has gotten them all excited. But we are going to be having a Dollar Tree train. That's right, it is called Eggcellent Spring. And we're going to bring you spring items and Easter items prior to Easter. And this collaboration is starting March 3rd and it's going to end March 17th. But right now, I want to tell you who's on board. We have 13 channels. We do try to keep all of our videos around 12 minutes. Give us a break though if we can't make it. We have so many things to get in. Now, you know, we pick 10 items and we ask you all to rate them 1 to 10. And it's just based on what you think. It's not a competition. And we do ask you to comment on each video as a must in order to qualify to win, and use a code word if the channel creator asks for one. Now, who are our creators in this Dollar Tree train Eggcellent Spring? We have Tracy with Tracy and Chloe Unboxings, Beauty and More. And Tracy, let's thank her because she has done all of our advertising ads. She has put together all our thumbnails and she has done wonderful. And we all kind of have us a little pretty cartoon look or cutesy. I don't know how you want to describe it, but very, very cute, and we love it. And we thank you very much, Tracy. She also does our playlist. And the playlist will run, we do this staggered. So the first video will come out at 2 o'clock and then 2:15 on March 3rd, and every 15 minutes you will have to wait in between for the next video to become live. Once the playlist has totally gone through and all the videos are live, then it will just play consecutive like a normal playlist. But who do we have on board with us? Besides me and Tracy, we have Arlene. All things Arlene. She's got a new name, but she's still the same great gal that she's always been. And we have Katie's Corner of the World. We have Mary Catherine Loves Cats. We have Reviews with Sue. We have Faye Blatcher, Lori's Life, Laura Wooten, Sherry with Single Mom Reviews. We have a newcomer, hey everybody, that's Erin. And we have Pat from Bless GMP. So welcome all these great ladies on board. We have a super crew. We're so happy to have them all on board with us. And I'm going to get right down to this. Now, this is a spring collaboration. So I'm going to have a mixture of spring and Easter. And I'm going to start off with what comes first in spring. And it's not really quite spring. And that is St. Patty's Day. That's right. March 17th, we have St. Patty's Day. So I'm going to show you what I got from the Dollar Tree for St. Patty's Day. And this is a cute little gnome. It's a little female gnome, and it was $1.25, and she's just as cute as she can be. What do you think? I'm going to have to add her into my decor. And the other thing that I found for St. Patty's Day was this cute little decorated camper. Now, isn't that cute? And it has the shamrocks on it, and this was $1.25 as well. Unless it's more than that, I'll let you know. Most everything is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree store is in Texas, so if you live in the Texas area, then you may see many of these things in your store. But this is adorable, and I really liked that. The next thing that I got, and the last thing that I got in celebration of St. Patty's Day, because we got to have the Irish, you know, is this beautiful scarf. And I think that is just so pretty. I love the colors in it with the green, whites, and then the gold with the good luck horseshoe. Is that what that's supposed to be? And I just think that'll just be a nice addition. Maybe I'll be wearing this. You'll see it maybe along a Mass Monday when we get close to St. Patty's Day. So those are my 3 things that I picked up for springtime, so to speak, because we are warming up. It was 95 this week on one day in Texas. Very, very warm. Then we had a cool down. Now we're back to who knows what. It's Sunday, March 3rd. It could be snowing. Who knows? So let's go on to my next time of the year, which if you go in consecutive order, it would be spring itself, because spring comes around the 20th, 21st of each March, and we will officially be into spring. And I found this sign, Home Sweet Home, with the bees on it, and I just love that. And the bees seem to be very popular, and I'd have to say, is that like a bumblebee, you think? Sweet Home, Sweet Home. And also, to go with that bee sign, I found this Let It Be, as you can see, and this is a craft. So my granddaughter can paint this. She loves to paint and do art. So I'm going to let her fix this up for me so it'll match my sign, or however she decides, because an artist, has got to have a little freedom. So those were my 2 spring things that I found. And so that gives me a total of 5. So the next thing that I found for Easter, which is also a craft, is this little yarn craft kit, and it's going to make that cute little bunny. The next thing I found was a Happy Easter truck, and this was $1.25 as well. It's like a little basket, so you could do your little egg hunting for a child, or you could set this up as decor and maybe put some flowers in it. You could stack candy inside there. You can do quite a bit with this. So I thought that was just really cute, and I like the pink because I like pink. The next thing that I found to kind of go with that, they're both made out of felt, and this is garland that has the Easter bunny. It says it's a table runner, but I think it would look cute sitting up along the edges. But I guess it could lay flat as a table runner, but I see it more of going along the edges like a backsplash. But it can be used in several different ways. What do you think? Now, the next item that I found is this Easter bunny stop here. So isn't that cute? And I really like that, the simplicity of that. And that has just a little bit of pink in it, and not too bad. And I just thought that was really, really cute. So what do you think? And it just looks like you're hanging up your laundry, but in this case, we're hanging up the bunnies. All right, my next item that I have, and the last item was a $5 item, but guys, I had to get it. This is an Easter tree, and it has the Easter eggs on it. It's in our, spring colors, and I'll use this through the spring. It won't just be for Easter for me, although it has the Easter eggs on it, but I think that's just a pretty, pretty tree. I like the wood box that they've got sitting in it. And for $5, I thought it was a good price for it. So I'm real pleased with this, and I hope you are too. And I kind of had a hodgepodge of spring items, but you let me know what you like the best. And guys, I am taking up way too much time. I'm going to have to get on to the giveaway. You have to use the word B, B-E-E. That's going to be my code word. You must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to all channels and comment on each channel. And YouTube and our Dollar Tree are not in any way, shape, or form affiliated with it. I will mail this out USPS. Now, in my giveaway, I have it right here in this box. If I forgot any of the rules, just check down in my description. I will tell you I'm not responsible for allergic reactions, so test an area. And the first thing that we're going to have is some micellar water by Garnier. And I'm going to leave it in this little packet. You're going to get some aloe vera. And this is Evelyn Eye Mask for dark circles and puffy eyes, and it helps with wrinkles. I have some little makeup rounds that you can use to remove or buff up your makeup. There's going to be 2 bath bombs. One's lavender and one's citrus, just so you know. And there's going to be some Christian ESS. This is air dry cream and have a weightless shine for your hair. I'm going to give you these earrings that I got from my ear flick. They are a millennialist style. They are black with a little bit of rose gold. Very, very cute. Along with that, I am also going to have this gold necklace, and it says the greatest of these is love. And this is based on 1 Corinthians 13, where it talks about of the greatest faith, hope, and love, of the greatest is love. You're going to get this moisturizer. It's Flight Mode Skincare. This is a highly high altitude hydration mask, and you can wear this overnight, and I've done it several times. It's a very good mask. You're going to receive these headbands. There's 3 of them in there. You're going to receive this butter glow for your face, so it's a hydrating glow to add to your look. And you're also going to receive this Riller Dreams So Big eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors. It's a very nice neutral palette. Maybe if I do it this way, you can see it better, but it's very, very pretty. And that is my giveaway. And you guys know I might add more to it, but this at least gives you an idea what you'll be having. And I thank you for being a part and watching our Dollar Tree train. Be sure and rate my haul from 1 to 10. And that's it, guys. That's my Dollar Tree train, and that is my giveaway. And I wish you all the best of luck. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.